Hello friends, according to this expression, we follow the Bodmas rule which dictates the order of operation. First we solve brackets, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket O. O stands for how we convert into multiplication and we solve the roots and exponents. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. According to this Bodmas sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now first step. We solve the inside brackets first. So this is the bracket and we must simplify the entire expression inside the parenthesis. So there is 5 minus 5 multiplied by 5 plus 5 and multiplied by 5. So according to this, before doing anything else within this bracket, we follow the Bodmas rule again. So first we multiply the digits. First we perform the multiplication operation. So 5 into 5, it will become 25. And now the expression become of this bracket is 5 minus 25 plus 25. So now addition and subtraction we solve from left to right. So now first we subtract the values and we'll get minus 20. And after the minus 20 plus 25 it will become simply 5. So now conclusion. According to this step 1, the value inside the bracket is 5 and 5. This simplifies our main equation. So now the equation becomes 5 divided by 5 and plus 5. And this is the expression. Now the second step, division. Next we look at the remaining operations. And division and additions, according to Bodmas, division come before addition. So now first we divide the values. 5 divided by 5 equals to 1. And now the expression becomes 1 plus 5. According to this step, we have completed the division, leaving us with the 1 plus 5 only. So now the last step, addition. The final operation left is addition only. So 1 plus 5 is equal to 6 and 6 is the complete the expression and this is the final result. So now according to this expression, by using the Bodmas rule to ensure each operation was performed in the correct priority. So the final result of this expression is 6 and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.